Here's how to hide your old Roblox usernames. So first of all, you need to go to the Roblox website, which is roblox.com, and then change the URL from home to /support. Then hit enter in your keyboard, and this will take you to a support form. Your username will be filled in automatically, but if not, you can go ahead and enter your username, then enter your first name, followed by the email address which is associated with your account, and also confirm the same email address in this field. After that, go to the issue details section and choose a device that you're having problem on. After that, go to the type of help category and choose data privacy request. Go to the subcategory and select right to be forgotten and right of access. And in this, describe your issue field. Write something like, I would like to clear all of my previous usernames. Thank you. And if you have filled your email address, click on continue, and this will contact the Roblox support and they will clear your previous usernames. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.